We met in grade 9, back in high school, and you were 15.
Life, married at 15, traveling the world at 70. I'm Joan.
Harry.
And the world is our home.
Yes.
Come live with us as we travel.
Yes.
Canada, Sicily, Thailand.
Yesterday, we went down to check the vineyard, Myra's vineyard, Joan's name is actually Myra Joan Fair, but the vineyard is called Myra's Vineyard. And Pepi was doing the sulfur and copper he was putting on the vines. Because of the amount of rain we've been having, it has to do with rain comes down, next day it's sunny, and it's sort of mildew starts to form on the vines. And the sulfur and the copper, which is a natural ingredient here, what it does is it keeps the vines from getting moldy. Apparently a very important part of growing a vineyard is when they have the young plants. We're not watering these plants at all. These are going to be al naturel vineyard, and so keeping them going is quite a science. But anyway, just going to fill you in on that. Ciao. Oh, the copper?
Copper.
Yes.
Sulfur, yeah, it's a green,
Sulfur and rame.
Oh, sulfur and copper, I think. Cooper. Yeah, copper.
And that helps with the bugs. Effect. So each of these bugs gets
A little copper and sulfur. Oh.
We're naming the wine after.
Yes. That is
He's the winemaker.
Rachel's really good friend, and also brother-in-law. And Laura Donna, he's married to Laura Donna's sister. Correcto Mundo?
Correcto Mundo. So
And there's Rosemarina up on top there.
you can have a view from Rosemarina.
Right.
Rosemarino over top of the vineyard.
Okay, that's Rosemarina on top, John.
Correct. Here's the vineyard.
Yeah. From Rosemarina we can see the vineyard very nicely, right?
The swimming pool is right there.
Yes.
Rosemarina Cottage.
Yeah.
And the view is overlooking the sea. Is overlooking the Ionian Sea and
Yes.
the vineyard.
There's the sea. Beautiful, beautiful sea.
Absolutely gorgeous.
And the vineyard is right here in front of us.
There is the cottage of
Yes. But first we're going to go look at what they're doing over at Martin's and Christina's place. They're working there today. We've been following that one, right?
correct, yes.
And
That's renovating a ruin.
yes.
We're going to do a whole documentary and interview Martin and Christiana.
Okay, and what did you say was up there? This where our car is parked right here? Who lives
Our
there?
neighbor's cottage.
Neighbor's
This is
cottage?
our neighbor's cottage.
Right.
They're from Netherlands.
Kim and
Kim and Marita
Marita.
from the Netherlands. They've got a beautifully renovated, restored cottage.
Yeah.
We can
Also-
definitely do
also a great view, no?
a video on that one with a great view of our vineyard. Joint vineyard.
And Pepi is retired, but he loves gardening.
Loves taking care of the vines.
Yeah.
That's his,
He's
main love is taking care of the
His
vine.
main love is vineyards and making wine.
Yeah.
Ciao.
Beautiful winemaker.
Winemaker me.
Beautiful winemaker. Oh, I can't sing. Just remembered.
Ciao.